Tu B'Shvat falls very close to Groundhog Day, and I've seen that in Israel, the New Year of the Trees. Very impressive when the almond blossoms come out first. Okay, quarter days then. If you are on a combination solar-lunar calendar, the actual date of the quarter day flutters, but here's what I think actually happened. Jewish tradition got up its observances of Lag BaOmer hundreds of years after what I think is the original event. Bonfires. Okay, bonfires. Bonfire comes from bone fire. And in 2 Kings 23, King Josiah, who was probably the most righteous king Israel had, after he became king, started to a process by which he wanted to reunite the two kingdoms. He moved north, and especially chapter 23, verses 15 and following, dug up the bones of northern priests and burned them on their own altars, defiling both. Now, we don't know the time of year that this happened, whether it was in the spring or not. But I think that explains the bonfires that we associate with Lag BaOmer. Finally, shooting arrows is something else we do, and my title in the Havurah Herald was I shot an arrow into the air, it fell to earth, I know not where, from the first two lines of Wordsworth's poem. Shooting an arrow into the air at random is a form of magic. It's called bellomancy. It's one of many mantic practices that were common among Jews for centuries, down through the Middle Ages, and in fact I know some Jews who still have these practices, Orthodox Jews who still have lights off. It's been off for a while.
No, it's still recording.
Okay. Mantic practices, if you're interested, a number of these are set forth in Joshua Trachtenberg's book, Jewish Magic and Superstition. Well, that's the only thing that I have for you, which is near the point. So to wrap it up, I think Lag BaOmer originated with Jews as a celebration of King Josiah's march to the north to reunite Judah with Israel, and in the process his defiling of northern religious sites. Now, of course, this is only speculation, as one of the 4 books that I have on my shelf said the actual origins of this are lost in the haze of history, and I suppose, for now at least, that's where we shall have to leave them. I hope that you all have enjoyed this, and again, my sincere apologies for not being able to come in person.